Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to how to install Human Fall Flat without the white screen error. So yeah, I like this song very much, so yeah, that's why I put it as the background song, and I used Spotify for this song. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So what you need to first do is go on to Chrome and search Human Fall Flat IBNO. Do the same thing again with the time. Okay, now go. Now you need to click on the first link. Now I'm not Now I'm not going to talk, guys. You just see what to do. So yeah, click on these two links and just download both of them. And if you want to check, I already downloaded both of them today. So yeah, because I don't want the video to be too long, that's why. And now what you need to do is go onto the Play Store and download Zard Download the Zard Fever, guys. I'll make this fast with fast motion. It's installed. So let me open Zard Fever. Now click on allow, click on OK. Now what you need to do is click on download, and you need to click on OBB file which you already downloaded. Click on extract, click on here, and click on device memory, click on Android, click on OBB, and click on this arrow button. Wait a minute guys, I'll be back. Wait a minute guys. Let me on this brush. Okay, you need to click on this thing, that arrow. It's going to be like this, so you need to wait until it's 100%. Okay, it's going to say achieve successfully accomplished. Now you need to go to search and search my files. Open my files, and you need to click on installation files and click on that. And you need to click on this and click on that, and you need to click on install. If it asks for permission, then allow the permission for installing this. Click on done. Now there you go, you got Human Fall Flat. You can uninstall that here now. I'll just allow this. You need to allow the storage now. And wait a minute. Wait. And we're going to have the white screen fixed. Wait a minute. It's taking a while and it's very fun. But if you want Google Play games, then install it. I don't want to install it right now. And boom, it's coming. The white screen is fixed, guys. Yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. So if you like this video, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, guys. So I'll just play a little bit of the game. You can customize it as well. So then I'm not really familiar with this game. I don't really know how to play this game, guys. If you don't want to hear that song, then just like click Spotify so you hear that song. Now just click on this song. And if you like this song, down below, so that's how you get the white screen or fix there. Watching my video, so hope you like this video. And if you want any more human podcast content, then comment down below. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, so if you want any more fixes or error fixes, then comment down below. So yeah, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.